Hi, this is Dustin with Headset Advisor, and I'm going to tell you why headsets are more important than ever. Headsets are more important than ever today than they've ever been before in the history of the world. And the reason why is because of our changing and evolving business climate. Before phones were ever invented, people were always doing commerce in person. They were exchanging goods and services and sales pitches and all those kinds of things directly in person. And a lot of the times traveling from far away places to go do commerce in certain locations. Then with the advent of the telephone and the implementation into businesses, people began adopting, more phone-based work. That being said, in-person communications were still very important as they were in generations prior. People would use the phone more often than not to maybe set appointments or for quick questions, but would then take care of a lot of things in person, shaking somebody's hand, looking at them in the eye, signing contracts on physical pieces of paper with pens, things like that. But as the years have gone on, our workforce, as it's been computerized and digitalized, has gone more and more toward phone-based and computer-based communications and away from traditional in-person communications. And some people may have feelings on that one way or the other, but that's neither here nor there. That's just the way that it is. So because of that and the prevalence of using the telephone on a regular basis, headsets are more important than ever. Not only are there offices using desk phones and people using headsets rather than cradling a phone on their shoulder all day long while typing on a computer, there's people needing the headsets for ergonomic reasons, but there are also major transitions from traditional business phones to computer-based soft phones. Soft phone meaning a software phone or a computer-based phone pad, you could call it. So basically your physical desk phone on your computer. So doing away with the desk phone entirely. That being the case, a headset is absolutely necessary for communications. There's no longer the option to pick up the telephone and speak on it. So a headset is necessary. People are going from work, sometimes working from home, maybe completely shifting to home-based work. There is absolute necessity for headsets. Not only that, but you need to make sure that you get the right headset, because maybe a headset that works on a desk phone does not work on a soft phone, or a headset that works on a soft phone does not work on a desk phone, and so on. So because of that importance, it's never been a better idea than to take a look at renting your headsets. There's a rental plan that we have. There's such shifts, constant technological advances, constant movement from different platforms, again, the desk phone to the soft phone and so on, that you don't want to get stuck with technology that becomes rapidly obsolete. So that's where that rental plan is perfect. Low monthly rate. You just sign up on that plan. Everything is covered. We're talking warranty type issues, physical breaks, any replacement parts and pieces. And let's say that you do change your technology. Well, you can then just go ahead and get a different headset. Send that one back, get one that's compatible for you, and you don't have a big cash outlay that you have to come up with yet again for another piece of technology. So if that's something you're interested in, feel free to visit our website to get matched with the perfect headset for you based on your unique situation, you can do that with our simple 6-question quiz, or you can ask on our live chat, call, email, leave a comment in the comments below. Whatever's convenient for you, do that. We'll match you up with the perfect headset and tell you a little bit about the rental plan and how much it would cost for your particular headset. If you could be so kind, if you found any value in this, to hit the like button, that would be much appreciated. Until next time.